Mastering English phrases. Here's hoping, explained. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, here's hoping. This expression is common in conversational English, and understanding it can really boost your fluency. So, let's get started. Here's hoping is an idiomatic expression used to express hope or wish for something in the future. It's often used when the outcome is uncertain but the speaker remains optimistic. Think of it as a shorter way of saying, I hope that this will happen. This phrase is quite versatile in usage. For instance, you might hear it in casual conversations like, here's hoping we get good weather this weekend, or in more serious contexts, here's hoping the job interview goes well. It's a light-hearted way to express hope. English is rich with expressions of hope. Phrases like, fingers crossed, or hoping for the best, carry similar meanings. However, here's hoping has a unique, personal touch to it, often implying a shared hope between the speaker and the listener. A common mistake learners make is using, here's hoping, in the past tense. Remember, this phrase is always used for future or ongoing situations, not past events. Let's practice. Try using, here's hoping, in different scenarios. You can write down sentences or practice with a friend. The more you use it, the more natural it will become in your conversations. That's all for today. Remember, here's hoping is a great phrase to add a positive spin to your conversations in English. Keep practicing, and here's hoping this video has been helpful to you. See you next time.